back to another video. Today's video we're going to be talking about feasibility study. So what is feasibility study? This is a research you do about a market you are trying to get yourself into. What do I mean by this? So a feasibility study is usually done when you are trying to acquire more knowledge, a specialized knowledge about something you are going into. Let's use, for example, you are going into probably a business. So for the business you are venturing into, you have to make a feasibility study and make appropriate research about whatever you are trying to go into. So that's on today's topic. So on my next video, I'm going to be talking about what a business plan is. Stay tuned.